Good morning, students. Yesterday we studied about the foundation of United Nations. As I told you yesterday that United Nations was founded on 24th of October 1945. But once again we revise it after the First World War. Basically, after the First World War, League of Nations was established to resolve the fight among different countries. I again repeat, after the First World War, League of Nations was established to resolve the fight among different countries. But League of Nations cannot prevent the Second World War. The Second World War occurred in which year? In 1939, and it continued till 1945. So, after the First World War, League of Nations was established to resolve the fight among different countries, but it was not successful and it cannot prevent the Second World War, which occurred in the year 1939 and continued till 1945. Then United Nations was founded as successor to the League of Nations. Your 1-mark question: which organization was founded as successor to the League of Nations? And the answer is United Nations. So United Nations, it was founded on 24th of October in the year 1945. That is why 24th October is celebrated as United Nations Day, and India joined United Nations on 30th of October 1945. United Nations now has 193 member states, and originally it had 51 members. Originally United Nations had 51 members, but now at present United Nations is having 193 member states. So today we are going to study about the organs of United Nations. Organs of United Nations, today we are going to study. The first one is General Assembly. Second one is Security Council. Third one is International Court of Justice. Fourth one is Economic and Social Council. Fifth organ is Secretariat, and the sixth one is Trusteeship Council. So today we are going to study about the organs of the UNO. First organ, General Assembly. General Assembly is basically the central organ of the United States. It consists of 193 members, and each member state in the assembly has one vote. I again repeat, General Assembly is basically the central organ of the United States. It consists of 193 members. Each member state in the assembly has one vote. Important decisions decided by the 2/3 majority vote. So, how many member states are there in the General Assembly? 193 member states, all are having one vote, and their decisions are decided by 2/3 majority vote. The decisions are not binding on United Nations member. I again repeat, the decisions taken by this assembly are basically not binding on United Nations member. It means the members, it is not necessary for the members to obey that particular decision. Assembly meets in regular session intensively from September to December each year and thereafter as required. So now come to the function of the United Nations. It helps to maintain international peace and security, including disarmament. So basic function of United Nations General Assembly is to maintain peace and security. It initiates studies, make recommendations to promote international political cooperation, development and codification of international law, realization of human rights and fundamental freedoms. It makes recommendations for peaceful settlement, receives and considers report from Security Councils and other United Nations organs, considers and approves budget, establish financial assessment of member states. So basic functions of the General Assembly is to maintain peace and order, to maintain peace and security among the countries, as well as it receives the reports from the Security Council. Security Council, it's the other organ of the United Nations, and it also approves budget and establish financial assessments of member states. So this is the first organ of the UN. The first organ is General Assembly. I hope you understand about this concept. Thank you.